Good morning, everyone. Got it or not? What am I saying?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो वो I have sent the editing. Okay, there is an error in each line, right? So we need to find out the error, underline the error, and write down the correct word. Got it? So I'll give you 5 minutes. First, you do the first editing, the first passage that has been given. समझ में आया बेटा? Just you try on your own. Got it or not? आप अपने आप कोशिश करिए फर्स्ट वाला, पहले फर्स्ट वाला करिए, अपने आप कोशिश करिए. टेक 5 to 7 minutes and do it. और उससे पहले कर सकें तो that would be very good. Just do it, hurry up. I'm waiting for your answers. Below there. Yes, beta, do it. Start doing. Do them, hurry up. Are you doing it? It's very easy. You just read out and you'll come to know the mistakes. Rahul, all the students who have joined later on, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I have sent the editing on the WhatsApp. Just see and do it.
Yes, ma'am.
The students who completes first, can raise his or her hand. You can raise your hand. Harsh has completed. Muskan completed. Very good. Bhumika completed. Excellent. Very good, beta. 1 minute, I'll ask you the answers, okay? Just give 2 minutes more for others to complete it. Ishika also completed. Good, Ishika. Daksh. Good. Very good. Close gap filling I had given you the other day. Okay. That will be coming in the exams, Hafilis. Even editing, it will be coming. समझ गए? Editing भी आएगा. Besides the chapters. Others have not completed. Shruti Yadav, Khushi, all the 2 Khushis. Samiksha. Samiksha not completed.
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Do it fast, beta. Radhika Khandelwal. Irfan has done good. Radhika. Vanshika. Hurry
Yes,
up,
ma'am.
complete it. Completed, Vanshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi Yadav, Mehul Lohia, Ayushi Shukla, hurry up. Be fast. Rahul, are you doing it?
मैम कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, can we come out with the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
In the traditional sense, prayer meant communicating on God Almighty. What is the first one? Harsh, tell me the first one.
Ma'am, in the first one, meant is incorrect and the correct is means.
Okay, fine. In the traditional sense, prayer means communicating on God Almighty. Irfan, second one, beta.
मैम कम्युनिकेटिंग टू आएगा मैम, ऑन नहीं है.
अच्छा, कम्युनिकेटिंग विद आता है बेटा, है ना, क्योंकि भगवान से कम्युनिकेट हो रहा है ना, तो विद. ठीक है, ऑन की जगह विद विल बी दे. It includes the devotions, verbal but mental prayers. Daksh.
Ma'am, but is incorrect. There will be and.
Very good, Daksh. But is incorrect and there will be and. It includes the devotion, verbal and mental prayers. Okay. Bhumika, fourth one, beta.
Ma'am, here saying is incorrect and said is correct.
Yes. Okay. So it will be like, in the traditional sense, prayer means communicating with God Almighty. It includes the devotion, verbal and mental prayers that are said, S-A-I-D, right? Got it, everyone? Do the correct one. Muskan, E1.
Ma'am, here 2 is incorrect.
Yes. And?
Off is right.
Yes, off. There are various ways and forms of prayer and meditation. Good. Vocal prayers, etc. Yes. Who will do this one? We need 1 minute, better. Let me give others the chance. Yes. Samiksha, can you do it? Samiksha?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. There are various ways and forms to prayer and meditation. Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, there are various ways and forms of prayer and meditation and vocal prayer.
Vocal prayer. So what is the error in this? Na? Prayer and meditation, vocal prayers, etc. What is the error बेटा? What is the error? Error क्या है बच्चे इसमें? इशिका, इशिका जैन,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me the answer. Hurry up बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
You had raised your hand, na? You tell me the answer. Don't hesitate. Right or wrong it would be.
Ma'am, prayer and after the prayer meditation and is
ओके एक्चुअली क्या है, एंड क्यों लगाया? प्रेयर्स लाइक मेडिटेशन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लोकल प्रेयर्स और ये सब के बारे में बोलना जा रहा है ना. तो दिस शुड बी देयर आर वेरियस वेज एंड फॉर्म्स, टू की जगह ऑफ प्रेयर. ओके, व्हाट आर द वेरियस वेज यू नो ऑफ प्रेयर? तो ये वेरियस वेज है मेडिटेशन और वोकल प्रेयर्स. तो हम एंड तो लगा ही नहीं सकते बेटा, लाइक आएगा ना. So there are various ways and forms of prayer like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. Got everyone? अरे समझ में आया?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one, but the fundamental either the base of prayer. Harsh,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up, beta, don't take such a long time.
Question.
Question क्या है? Next one, the next sentence. The next line, find out the error and tell me the correct answer if you can. Others,
Ma'am,
you know, they
either
don't come forward with any of the answers, you know.
Ma'am, either is incorrect and the correct is or.
But the fundamental or the base, very good. Either is incorrect, it has to be or. But the fundamental or the base of prayer. Okay, Vanshika, the last one, beta.
Ma'am, here R is the error and is the correct.
Very good. R is the error and there should be is. Why? Because we are talking about singular. Okay. So I'll just repeat the paragraph. Check your answers and they should be done in the fair registers. समझ में आया? किसमें होगा ये? Fair registers में. Put today's date and do it. Got it? In the traditional sense, prayer means, underline meant, that is the wrong word. Communicating on नहीं होता है with God Almighty, because we are communicating with God. It includes the devotions, comma, verbal, but nahi and, or. And mental prayers that are said nahi, that are said, जो बोली जाती. These are various ways and forms to prayer nahi, of prayer. Prayer के तरीके हैं. And nahi, various forms यही है. Meditation और vocal prayers तो हो गया like. Instead of and, there will be like. But the fundamental either nahi, fundamental or the base of the prayer. Okay, so we are talking about prayer. Prayer is singular, so it should be is. Done? Now you read the second one. Hurry up, read the second one first. Read out. Red. Janvi Bansal. She joined and she left. Is she in class 10th? Janvi Bansal. She never joined before. Is she in class 10th? I'm asking you students.
No, ma'am, she is not in 10th.
She is in which class? Janvi Bansal. She is not in a class, na? She is not in any sections of 10th. Okay. Maricha change him into a. First one, Bhumika.
Ma'am, himself.
Himself, very good. Maricha changed himself into a charming golden deer on surpassing beauty. Vanshika. Yes,
Ma'am,
with very good on. With surpassing beauty and wandered around an ashrama. Muskan. Muskan.
Ma'am, the N is incorrect. The is correct.
Yes, N is incorrect and it should be the. Very good, beta. So Maricha changed himself, okay, instead of him, into a charming golden deer, okay, with surpassing beauty and wandered around the ashrama playfully in order to drawing Sita's attention. See, when I read, then also you can just find out the error, you know. Yes.
I'm to draw Sita's
Yes,
attention.
very good. We never use ing with 2, okay? 2 plus verb 1 is used. In order to draw Sita's attention. She is gathering flowers near. She is gathering flowers near. Rahul. Rahul is very quiet today. Rahul Chaudhary joined the class and left it, roaming somewhere in the house.
No, ma'am.
Then, beta, what will be the answer? Just try to take out. Dakshoja, why did you message? Did I tell you to message it? Did I ask you to message? हाँ राहुल, जल्दी बताइए ना आंसर. ये कुछ ही बच्चे हैं जो बोलते हैं, बाकी तो बिल्कुल क्वाइट साइलेंट, you know. They don't even try. I wonder, you know, they don't even try, you know. कोशिश भी नहीं करते. कोई बात नहीं, गलती होगा, लेकिन at least somebody will say the right answer. Ma'am will correct it. See, Khushi. What happened, Samiksha?
Ma'am, Sita is gathering is incorrect. It will be
Yes,
Sita
we are not
was
talking about the present day. Okay, this incident, it took place in the past. So it should be Sita was gathering flowers near the ashrama while she suddenly saw the golden deer.
Ma'am, the place of show is C.
Nahi beta, suddenly seen to
Ma'am, while is incorrect. When.
While is incorrect and it should be when. When she suddenly saw the golden deer, okay? सीन तो थर्ड फॉर्म में कैसे आ जाएगा, है ना? While की जगह it should be when. Enchanted with the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Ram and Lakshmana to look into the exquisite animal. Hurry up.
Ma'am, enchanted by.
Enchanted by. Okay, fine.
By.
Yes, enchanted by. Next.
Ma'am, into is incorrect. Ma'am, into is incorrect. 4 is correct.
Into is. Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
at will be there.
There should be at. Okay. It should be not for, it should be at. Okay. क्योंकि at किसी एक particular animal को देख रहे थे ना वो, तो it should be at. Enchanted by the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Ram and Lakshmana to look at, okay, the exquisite animal. Okay, I'll repeat the answers. Maricha changed himself. Second one, instead of on, it should be with. Then beauty and wandered around the ashrama in order to draw. They shouldn't be drawing, it should be draw. Sita is gathering, Sita was gathering. While ki jagah when is the time, you know, it happened. Enchanted by means got attracted by. And look into, it should be look at. Got the answers? Everybody got the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next two, you will do it as a homework. Clear? The next two. What happened? Samiksha?
Ma'am, can we use in towards at the place of into in the last line?
Why, beta? At a fixed position or something, you know, at a very fixed position. It is a fixed view. Got it?